I want you to tell me how your experience was with LushLoom and, from the start to finish, your experience with our support staff, with, the sample reviewing and how quick we were with things
Okay.
and so on. Do let me know.
I've had two experiences with LushLoom now. Both have been with Mohammed. I found on the internet LushLoom, and my first experience was the wall to your left there, which they had done. The experience through the whole thing was fantastic. I think I had 4 guys come in and work on the wall there. Mohammed supervised for a while. The whole experience through that wall was fantastic. Hence why my second experience is ringing LushLoom up again and having them do my bedroom wall. And again, I had 3 chaps who were assisting with the work there, and it was just fantastic. It's just been finished, and the final pictures tells it all.
Yeah, thank you.